Understanding Skill Set Evaluation. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important topic that often comes up in both educational and professional environments: skill set evaluation. This concept plays a crucial role in our learning and career development. So, let's explore what it means to evaluate a skill set, why it's important, and how it can impact your journey in mastering the English language or any other field. Skill set evaluation refers to the process of assessing and analyzing an individual's range of abilities, knowledge, and competencies in a specific area. This evaluation helps to identify strengths, areas for improvement, and the overall level of expertise a person has in a particular domain. It's like taking a closer look at what you're good at, what you need to work on, and how you can grow your capabilities. Before we delve deeper into evaluation, it's essential to understand what makes up a skill set. A skill set includes a combination of hard skills and soft skills. Hard skills are measurable abilities, such as writing, reading, or computer programming. Soft skills, on the other hand, refer to personal attributes and qualities, like teamwork, communication, and problem-solving. Both types of skills are crucial for success in any field. Evaluating your skill set has several benefits. It not only helps you understand where you stand but also guides personal and professional development by highlighting areas for improvement, aids in career planning by identifying the skills you need to work on to achieve your goals, enhances learning strategies by focusing on targeted improvement areas, boosts confidence as you recognize and build upon your strengths. Evaluating your skill set involves several steps. 1. Self-assessment. Reflect on your abilities and compare them to job requirements or learning objectives. 2. Feedback. Seek input from teachers, peers, or colleagues to gain different perspectives on your skills. 3. Set goals. Based on your evaluation, set specific, measurable goals to improve your skills. 4. Create a plan. Develop a plan of action to work on your goals, incorporating both practice and further learning. Skill set evaluation is a powerful tool in your learning and career journey. By understanding your abilities and areas for improvement, you can tailor your development plan to suit your goals and needs. Remember, the goal is not just to identify what you're good at but also to discover opportunities for growth and development. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you on your path to mastering your skills. Keep learning, keep growing,